Hey, Yvonne, the No BS guy here, and I am just so excited about the Power Lead system and how not only how powerful this system is, but how simple it is. Listen, the Power Lead system can turn a newbie into a rock star marketer in less than 15 minutes. And I'm actually doing this video to show you what I actually did was I did a screen capture video in order to tell people about the Power Lead system and how it turns newbies into marketing rock stars in less than 15 minutes. In this 14-minute video, what I did was I actually showed someone how you can go into the Power and create a funnel to market anything. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm just real excited about this, how simple this system is to use, but yet how powerful it is. You can be a marketing rock star from day one with the Power Lead system. And of course, if you'll join the Power Lead system with the No BS team, you can actually make a lot of money marketing this system to professional marketers. The company behind Power Lead System, what they did for years was they created these sort of marketing funnels and your systems and things for big companies. And so the creators of the Power Lead system themselves decided, why not make this technology available to everyone? So anyway, here's what I'm going to do to show you just how simple and yet powerful it is. I'm actually going to make a capture page funnel to promote this video that I made the Power Lead system is. Okay, here's what you're going to do. Once you join the No BS team in the Power Lead system, you're going to go in your back office, right? Really simple. And this is the process that you'll go through, for just about everyone. I mean, you can produce a sales or marketing campaign each and every day because it takes less than 15 minutes to create a full funnel. So here's what we do. I go to lead capture pages we created. Okay. You log into your back office in the Power Lead system. Let's go to lead capture pages that we created. Now, in the Power Lead system, what you have is you have these customized plug and play sort of capture pages. Now these pages up top here are for actually promoting the Power Lead system itself, but you also have a series of capture pages and templates that you can use to promote any company that you want. There are also pages for where you can bypass the lead captures and go directly to webinars, hangouts, all sorts of amazing ways that you can market. Like I said, it'll literally make you a marketing rock star right out the box. So since we're going to be promoting a video that I did on the Power Lead system, I'm going to choose one from the Power Lead system page. So here's what I'm going to do. You're going to click here. It says click here to make a copy of one of those pages so that you can customize it and edit it for you. So for time and simplicity's sake, I'm just going to pick this one. It's a really simple lead capture page. And I'll copy this page. And then you can scroll down to the bottom or the top and click make me a copy. Okay. Now, up here, you're going to put in your information. This is the title of it. We're going to call it Power Lead System YouTube promo video capture, because we're going to make a capture page. Why are we making a capture page? Because as marketers, we're always doing what I call the ABCs. Marketers should always be collecting email addresses, names, phone numbers, because that's what we do as marketers. Every day as a marketer, I do three things. I meet new people and build relationships. I make money doing, I have fun and I make money doing it. Those are the three things I do every day: meet new people and build relationships, have fun, and make money doing it. Um, this is the title that's going to show up in the title bar of the web browser. So, um, how to go from newbie to marketing rock star in 15 minutes. Okay, that's going to be the title there. I have my own domain set up. So I'm going to use a subdomain of my own domain. You can set your own domain up in the PowerLead system. If you already have your own domain, you can port it over. If you don't have your a domain, you can use URL shorteners like TinyCC or things like that, or you can actually just cut and paste the link from the page, and I'll show you how to do that. Um, I became I became a rock star in 15 minutes. Yes you can do it too. That's my domain. So it's going to be I became a rock star in 15 minutes dot you can do it too.com. Okay, that's going to be the address of this actual capture page. Now inside the Power Lead system, again, you don't have to try to figure out, well, how am I going to do a campaign, an email campaign or whatnot to market this system to others? We've got pre-made campaigns. Here's a Power Lead system opportunity campaign, so that everyone who opts in to see this free video that I'm going to promote, they will then get a series of 14 messages already tested and created by the Power Lead system itself. They know what works, so all you have to do is select it and the system will send it. Now it says here, where do you want it to go after they fill in the opt-in form? I'm going to go over here and the link for that YouTube video that I created, because this is what I'm promoting. Copy. I'm going to get the link to the YouTube video and I'm going to put right here. Okay, there we go. Save changes to the web page. Boom. You've just created your capture page. You can select from various backgrounds that they have to use on the capture page. Let's select this one. Okay, then that's going to bring up your actual capture page with the text. Now you can edit the text. I'm going to put free video shows you how this powerful system oh no, actually let's do it this way. From newbie to rock star. And let's get a little quote mark around there. In less than 15 minutes. Let me do this. I'm gonna cut that. Okay, I want to cut that and I want to put it above this. So I just hit Control X, move this down, and Control V to paste it up here. Shows you how. uh, we're going to say spits out 50 plus leads daily, and is turning beginning marketers from newbies to rock stars in less than 15 minutes. There we go. We'll put that in there. And once you edit that, hit Save Changes and move to the next step. Boom. There you go. Click View Your Page, your web page, and boom, there it is. Free video shows you this is the capture page that people are going to be sent to. They click get instant access. They put in their email address, sends them to a verifier, and boom, takes them right to the YouTube address. So that's it, folks. I'm just like really excited about this. Now imagine if you one of these a day for your or two of these a day. I mean, it takes literally less than 15 to create a professional style marketing campaign or sales funnel for your business. Wow, folks. That's it. I mean, I'm just so excited about it. There's just nothing out there like this. So there's more information in the YouTube video. If you want to attack me and join my team in the Power Lead system, or if you want to find out how you can actually get a 7-day free trial of access so that you can get in the back office and basically explore all the features and things available in the Power Lead system. So that's it, folks. It's really just that simple. Cut and paste. You can go from newbie to marketing rockstar in less than 15 minutes a day with the